Ever wanted a pocketable camera that behaves like a mini Venice? Meet the Sony FX2, cinema line, full frame, and whispering pro without the heavy rig. So what do we know? Is this truly a Venice little brother or just cinematic lipstick? Stick with me. I'll break down the parts you actually care about: image, workflow, and whether it'll survive real-world shoots. Image and sensor. At the heart of the FX2 is a full-frame Exmor R CMOS approximately 33 megapixel sensor paired with Sony's Bionz XR engine. Sounds boring on paper? Not here. Sony claims full pixel readout, no pixel binning, and 7K oversampling for full-frame 4K, which translates to cleaner edges and less aliasing. Add 15+ stops of latitude, S-Log3 under lab conditions, and dual-base ISO 800/4000, and you've got log footage that eats contrasty scenes for breakfast. Color nerds, S-Cinetone and LUT import, 17/33 point cube mean you can preview and even deliver cinematic looks in camera. Immediate grade, less guesswork. Video modes and Pro Tools. The FX2 is built for flexible workflows. It gives you 3 log modes, Cine EI support, and robust oversampling options. Quick note, 4K 60p recording is available in APS-C/Super 35 mode, while full frame uses the 7K to 4K oversample path for top quality. Need raw output? You get 16-bit RAW via HDMI, 4672 by 2628. Ideal if you want external recorder just for specific high-end jobs. Also, sweet, to squeeze support for 1.3x/2.0x anamorphic, in-camera slow motion up to 2.5x in 4K, and stills at approximately 33 megapixels, graded ready. Later, I'll tell you why the 4K 60 limitation isn't as tragic as it sounds. Stabilization, autofocus, and framing. Sony packed practical tools into its tiny chassis. Active mode stabilization, framing stabilizer, autocrop to keep subjects centered, and AI-based real-time recognition AF, about 30% better eye detection versus FX3 or FX30 in Sony tests, make single-operator shoots far less stressful. Focus breathing compensation helps for smooth rack focuses with compatible lenses. In short, less fiddling, more hitting record. Trust me, for run-and-gun doc or solo commercial work, this is a real productivity win. Operability and audio. The FX2 keeps pros happy with a tiltable EVF, Big 6 home screen inherited from Cine Alta, tactile control layout, and up to 4 channels of 24-bit audio via XLR, handles sold separately. Lightweight, but with multiple 1/4 20 mounts, it's easy to accessorize without turning into a brick. And yes, Sony warns about screw length. Don't be that person who ruins the body trying to MacGyver a cage. Workflow and reliability. Dual card slots. One supports CF Express Type A, advanced cooling for uninterrupted 4K recording. Sony cites long recording session limits under test. Think marathon shoots. Super speed USB 10 gigabits per second, and both 2.4/5 gigahertz Wi-Fi make this a modern production tool. Metadata for stabilization, lens breathing, rolling shutter, etc. integrates with Catalyst and NLE plugins, smoothing the post pipeline. Bottom line, it's designed to plug into professional workflows without drama. So who's the FX2 for? If you want a compact cinema camera with cinematic latitude, oversampled 4K, advanced AF, and pro audio connectivity, this might be Sony's best little Venice yet. Trade-offs? 4K at 60 FPS is limited to S35, not full frame, and heavy cinema rigs may still lean toward bigger flagships. At $2,699.99, it's a strong hybrid for indie filmmakers, solo shooters, and small studios. So, would I recommend it? For solo creators who value image quality and portability, absolutely. For high-end productions needing global shutter, multiple sensor options, or native full-frame 4K 60, maybe wait. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.